Welcome back to CBS News Baltimore, and this is the place that you will want to have available, and we'll be here for you. Make sure that you have the CBS News app. There are multiple ways of getting us through WJZ-TV because we will be giving you updates all weekend long on this winter storm on the way. This one of our bigger ones in recent memory. So this is why you need to check back for updates because there's going to be various impacts. So let's just talk about some good news first. We have excellent weather now through Friday, so there's plenty of time to prep for the storm. It's not like this thing's going to come in at the last minute. You got a couple of days yet to go, but once it gets here, it is going to be slow to go. So it comes in rounds. We're going to lay the table down first with dangerous cold on Saturday. When I'm talking about dangerous cold, high temperatures will be in the teens, not wind chills. Your high temperatures in the teens could be record cold. Heavy snow and ice is likely on Sunday, especially in the morning hours, lingering into the afternoon and evening hours. Really bitter cold continues even through Sunday night and into Monday. It's not just us. This is a storm system that is covering a huge chunk of real estate from Arizona and New Mexico through much of the Lone Star State, Oklahoma, Kansas, Tennessee, North Georgia, the Carolinas, all the way up to New York State. 2,000 miles worth of real estate under these winter storm watches. So travel problems not just here, but across the country. So if you have air plans, get them done now because as soon as we get into the weekend, it's going to get hairy very quickly. 10 o'clock Saturday, I think it's snowing across the area, but the ground's so cold that snow will instantly stick. By 7 a.m. on Sunday, I expect very heavy snowfall rates. That's the heaviest of the snow, blinding visibility, 1 to 3 inch snowfall rates. And then late Sunday morning into Sunday afternoon, a bit of an adjustment with the forecast. We told you to expect this as new information comes in, a change to sleet and freezing rain. Not rain, sleet and freezing rain, which is ice. That's going to be a problem, especially near I-95, around I-95, and points east. And if we get freezing rain, we could also be looking at power outages. Now, if you're just looking at the computer models, which are very available online, you're seeing these kinds of numbers and saying, oh my gosh, it's, the apocalypse. It's not. We have other issues going on here that will chip down on those snowfall totals. Sleet and freezing rain in the atmosphere will cut down on the amounts here by at least half in the Baltimore area. Now, north and west of there with less mixing out toward Frederick, west along 70, a foot to a foot and a half, about 6 inches of snow starts fluffy and then gets very sloppy here on the eastern shore as more ice mixes in. And there could be more adjustments to this forecast as we get better information in here. Ice seems to be a growing concern here on top of that snowpack. And so that means that we could have some power outages in areas that get a few tenths of an inch of ice. So that's something that's new on our radar at this hour. 52 for today. Enjoy 43 on Friday. And then high temperatures are going to be very cold across the area. Bus stop forecast for today, upper 30s here through about 8, 9 o'clock in the morning, low 50s here this afternoon. Maryland Cass, do your traveling now, even tomorrow and arguably Saturday. 2 pieces of energy have to come together perfectly for these storms to happen. And that will actually happen this time around. So it'll happen Saturday night and into Sunday. In the meantime, enjoy this good looking day in Baltimore County. 49 Moncton on your corner in Arbutus, 53, 52 in Dundalk. Your first alert 7-day forecast shows you that, again, we have time to prepare for the storm today. The best day for the rest of the month at 52, 43, dropping temperatures Friday evening, Friday night. Saturday, an alert day for cold, but don't cancel plans in terms of you have to get stuff done. The roads won't be bad on Saturday. Saturday night they will be, Sunday they will be, and even into Monday, especially those side and secondary streets. And once that snow and ice is on the ground, it's going to be on the ground for a long time. So make sure you take that effort to clear off the sidewalks, your cars, just so everybody's safe and we get through this storm A-OK.